So sad because this is the day we're gonna leave our grandparents.
Dahil 2 days lang po kami dito nagstay.
Malungkot sila dahil sila dalawa na lang magstay sa bahay. We will miss you so much, Harabuchin Hanmuni. Sana kayo naman magpunta sa Pilipinas. Take care of your health. We love you po. Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara.
And I am Mimi and we are the co-sisters for today's vlog.
So this is the day we're going to Seoul. We're gonna stay there, and first we went to the bus stop para bumili ng snack and coffee. And we saw this claw machine. Nagtingin kami ni Yumi. While we are waiting kina Appa because they are finding what are we gonna eat. Nakakagutom talaga pag biyahe. Medyo mahaba din yung oras ng biyahe namin. 3 hours then from Eksan to Seoul. Look guys, si Mami na nampiling. Naghanap kasi siya ng kape. Appa buy corn dog for us, and sila naman ay bread. Pang snack namin sa biyahe. Si Yumi naman na uhaw, mutik na mahulog yung drinks namin. Anyway, maambon na, uulan pa ata. Mabuti na lang our uncle is here, siya pala nag-drive. At napadaan pala kami sa mahabang tunnel going to Seoul. Wow, ang ganda talaga dito sa Korea. Ang daming nice place at sulit yung bakasyon namin ngayon. Anyway guys, ang lalapad yung highway nila at hindi traffic. And we are already here in Seoul. Napadaan pala kami dito sa Han River, popular river in Korea. This time pala guys, 11:45 na and gutom na kami. He said he will bring us to popular Tonkatsu restaurant. Dito sa area na to ay sikat daw at masarap daw yung pagkain. At napawaw pala kami sa order, ang laki kasi ng tonkatsu nila dito. Halata naman ang dami kasi nakapila. After lunch, we are going to our guest house. Doon pala kami magstay ngayon. Malapit sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. This guest house ay sa uncle namin and we stay here for 2 nights.
While we wait for the caretaker para magbuksan ng door para makapasok kami. And Ate is dancing para nawala ang antok. And we finished put the bag in our room. We went to the cafe. And we are excited because we meet Samchun MJ. And he's here in Korea also. He ordered fluffy cheesecake and pancake. And our drinks also ay ang sarap. And after hinatid po kami sa room para daw mag-rest kami. And we stay here in 2nd floor.
This guest house is Korean traditional. Sa hindi pa po naka-follow, please follow the co-sister po. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!